Good morning. Welcome back. My name is David, and today we have another episode of Backroads, and this one is a little different. Man, oh man, the storm brewed last night. The power is out to over close to 1 million people, flashing lights everywhere, and I'll tell you, the trees took a beating. I mean, really, it's quite amazing that any trees are standing. The amount of rain that came down and the amount of rain that froze onto the trees and the power lines, I haven't seen this in a long time. I think we've had a couple. 1997 was the worst power outage that I've seen, and that took out all the transmission lines. Like, we're talking the big, huge ones that actually transport them right from the station. Like, those things went down. They crumpled. But we also had the power outage of 2023 that took out, I don't know, it was in the summertime, and it was out for 3 days. What else did we have? We had another one, and I think 2014 was another one that kind of took out a large portion of Ontario around Christmas time. Anyways, just unbelievable. And this thing, man, last night I could hear like tree branches snapping. It was just so much. I mean, it was cold in the morning, and I thought, I wanted to get out and just do like a video, but I didn't really want to be on the road. Like, the road is kind of okay, but it's not like 100%. It's still kind of slippery in a number of places. I mean, the main road here on Highway 10 is okay, but some of the back roads are just... they're just not the greatest. But seriously, the trees, like, look at the fog. Like, you can't even see the tower. The tower is somewhere there. But the trees are just so many. I know from looking around neighborhoods and stuff before I started driving. It's so sad. I think anyone that's got like a country property, it's gonna be pretty bad. And I know, I was listening to the radio, and what was going on in Aurelia, Muskoka, Cottage Country. I mean, it was pretty bad there too. Like, really bad. Like, state of emergency bad in Aurelia. And I don't know, man. It's just, this is crazy. Just remarkable. The amount of ice on these trees. They're all swaying. I mean, this is not a bad part of the country, but like I said, there's other areas, like I think Moonstone was just, that was pretty bad. That's in between kind of like Midland and Aurelia. But when you get up into Cottage Country like Muskoka and Bracebridge and Peterborough and those places, I mean, it was actually worse. It's probably the worst hit area in Ontario. But as we wake up to the devastation of these trees, I mean, the tops of the trees are literally broken off. Like, I mean, everything's swaying over onto the power lines. The power lines are just covered. And yeah, man, I don't know how this day is going to fare, to be quite honest. I think this is going to be a long number of days. I wonder how many power lines are out, to be quite honest, like with everything that's kind of going on. And I don't know that anyone really knows like the devastation as of like the full scope, because this is just the beginning. This is just the we're just waking up to it type of thing. And each part of Ontario is going to be hit differently. So it's all really localized as to where the damage is. The one thing I can say is I'm sure the rivers, when all of this stuff just melts, everything's going to like overflow. There's going to be flooding in all kinds of different places. So like I just keep my fingers crossed that, people stay safe. There's no problems and stuff like that, right? Like that's just the worst feeling ever. But I mean, yeah, welcome to Backroads. This is this is just unreal stuff, right? I don't know what else to say. I mean, other than it is what it is. And now it's like people have to kind of pick up a chainsaw and do what they need to do. Again, Highway 10 is being spared because, again, like all these trees, like they're not lying on the roads, but some of the other roads where the trees are like right next to the highway, yeah, not so much. I'm sure. Like I'm not driving on any of them right now, but yeah, I'm sure you go onto some of those other roads. I just don't want to go on with them because they're ice, like they're full, like they're just sheet of ice, and I wouldn't be able to do it. So I'm not about to do it. I'm just going to stay on the main road, stay safe, and just document what I see. And yeah, just don't go anywhere. Stay put. That's all I'm thinking. Look at these trees. Unbelievable.